Guys, today Mom's doing my hair, but I don't know where she's going.
You want me to do that for you?
Hi guys, I have this squishy. I have a pink one more Indy lost it, and I don't know how much I have.
So hi pony.
Yes. Yeah, I got the pink and blue out. But it's what I'm in the morning. But I don't know where they are now.
La 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 la. Hands in the air, rock-a-bye bear.
Mama, that's okay. I take that thing off the doggy.
Yeah. Did you put your
So
toys
guys,
back?
because I'm learning about Little Red Riding Hood. Look at you, Mama. Little Red Riding Hood. This is the hood. Mommy, why did you get me a long one? I'm running.
Do you want that? The
Wait.
short one?
No,
That's the short
I'm
one.
running. Wait, no, it's the board that I'm running. I need to say so because it's a photo day.
It is photo day.
Mom, is it photo day in Philippines?
No,
Or did I not do photo day?
no, it's not the same schedule, my love. Hello, come on, hurry up. Finish your breakfast so you can put your clothes on.
I have not finished my breakfast.
Because I need to do your hair after.
So,
Arlo,
hi
hurry
guys.
up, mate.
This, which is so dirty, he can literally brush the floor. Mom, did you put cream on me?
Or do you want me to do a bun?
Why?
No, I'm just wondering. Let me see. If you sit down for a photo, maybe a bun? Yeah. Tingnan nyo yung painting namin dito, guys. Yung canvas na laglag. So, ano siya, nawala na yung dikit. And look, na-damage pa yung aming skirting board. See, bigat kasi nun. Hindi naman sobrang bigat, but
Mom, what's
it's
that?
heavy. The canvas hit the skirting board when it fell last night. Yeah.
How did it fall?
I don't know. It's just time. It's time. It's not sticking anymore. So, ayusin natin.
I definitely heard that.
You heard it? I
Yeah,
didn't hear it at all. Daddy just saw it on the floor. Okay. Leave it. Thank you very much. All right, what smile are you gonna do? Very beautiful.
Indy, do you smile?
Indy, smile.
Maybe you smell like this. Mom, it's a small smile because I think only the bigger kids need to do the big
Yeah. You're closing it already. Say bye to them.
Bye.
Say bye.
Mom.
Bye, Daddy. Say bye to Daddy.
Bye, Yaya.
Yep. Oh. Thank you, Dee. Alright, let's go. Ba. Ba, I'm here. Bye. See you later. Oy, come on. Ito. Nag-clean up ako sa baba. Hinihila ako kasi mag-change clothes. Tapos ngayon, naglalaro. Come on na. Change clothes. Are we gonna play or are we gonna change clothes? Ew, yeah. Blow. More. Good job. Blow. Oi! Are you pink? You sound like a pig. What sound does the pig make? I cannot see you. Oh, Indy, where are you? Peekaboo. Ay, nako, Inday. Come on, let's go! Boo! Ang cute ng dalawa, guys. Ay, naku. Huwag mong i-delete yan. Can I save it first? Sinundan tayo ni Daddy ng video. I didn't ask for it because, hindi ako nagvi-video na talaga sa school. Well, may mga times na, ang cute naman ito. Pero, most of the time, hindi na talaga ako nagvi-video sa school nila. Pero Daddy sent a video nung nag-photo ang dalawa. Oh my gosh. And para akong buang kasi naiiyak ako habang pinapanood ko yung dalawa. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute nilang dalawa. Insert ko yung video. Naiiyak ako, guys. Para akong tanga.
Big smiles, Alex, Alex.
Cry. Mommy cry. Sorry. It's okay. Hug mama. Mommy cry. Hindi na ako mag-chichika kasi maiiyak lang ako. Cry. Yeah. Happy. Mommy happy. Cry. Kasi nung na-receive ko yung memo about sa school photos, sibling photos, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, I can do it. Kasi masisira yung routine eh. Yung ginagawa kasi namin, is si Dan yung nagda-drop off sa mga bata every morning. And then, alis na yan siya. He goes to work. As much as possible, yung appointments niya talaga, fini-free niya yung like hanggang 9. Kasi yung pasok nga ng mga bata is 8:45. And because siya na nga yung boss niya ngayon, may freedom na siya na, alam mo yun, i-adjust yung appointments. Though may mga times talaga na hindi kaya, like may mga important appointments na kailangan gawin ng ganitong oras. So I step in and ako yung gumagawa ng drop-off ng time na yun or pick-up, which is like no problem talaga kasi kaya ko na naman siyang gawin. Malaki na si Indy. Pero ginagawa ni Dan kasi syempre gusto niya akong tulungan, gusto niya mas mapadali yung buhay ko as much as possible kung kaya niya naman, di ba? Yeah, wala lang. Sobrang grateful lang. Nung sinend niya yung video, para talaga akong buang, maiiyak ako. Tapos sabi ko, salamat talaga. Parang buang talaga. Feeling ko kung ako yung nandun, feeling ko pinipigilan ko na naman yung luha ko na maiyak. Kasi yung dalawa kong anak, oh my gosh, malalaki na silang, lalaki na nila. Ang bilis-bilis ng panahon, my goodness. I have my period, you guys. That's why. I have my period. Ay, sinisi na naman sa period ang kaiyakin natin. Yeah, anyway. Oh my gosh, come on! Ay, buti na lang wala akong lashes today. Tinanggal ko yung lashes ko kagabi. Mag-ready na lang din tayo. Nandito na lang din naman tayo sa taas. Ay, may lakad kami mamaya. Pero mamayang pa yun? 2. So, mamaya na. It's only 8:43 ng umaga. So, ang aga-aga pa, guys. Pero na-load ko na yung laundry. First load ng laundry. And then, kanina nga, nag-clean up ako sa baba. Pero hindi ko natapos. So, mag-clean up na lang muna tayo, no? Tapos, maya na tayo magbihis. Kasi hindi ko na to ulitin itong pajamas ko. Try kong mag-clean up ulit. Baba ako, guys. Tingnan natin kung papayagan tayo ni D. Hello, hello, hello! It's lunchtime! 11 na, guys. Magluto tayo ng itlog. Kasi ang dami namin itlog. Gusto ko nga mag-leche flan eh. Leche flan tayo, di. Yogurt. Okay. Okay. Watch out. Tingnan niyo to, ang cute-cute nitong reaction niya. Bigyan ko siya ng... Wait, asa na yun? Bigyan ko siya nito ha. Tapos ang cute ng reaction niya. Be, pinapahiya mo naman ako, be. Do you want that? Who's that? Give it to me. Mommy, open. So cute, right? Yogurt. Pag ito binibigay ko sa kanya, gagawin siya. Aww. Hindi naman gumanon. Pinapahiya mo si Mami. Ang cute niya. Aww. Maganon siya kay Princess. Alright, luto tayong itlog. And then, we will have century tuna as well. Baby. Itlog at saka century tuna. Ayan, nilabas ko na. Flakes in oil. Ang sarap nito, guys. Initin ko lang yan. Pero mamaya na. Maya na natin isa lang kasi mag-iitlog na tayo. Ito yung ating lunch. Wala kaming leftover. Kasi inubos ni Daddy yung niluto ko kagabi. Nagluto ako ng chicken afritada, diba? Dinner kasi ni Daddy din. Okay lang naman kasi I cook enough for everyone. Pero meron nga kasi siyang dinner na kinakain, diba? But yeah, last night nagustuhan niya yung chicken. So, dinner niya. So, wala na tayong leftover. It's okay. We still have... Oh, that's a lot still. More. Here, Mommy help. Well done. Hindi pa ako nakapagbihis, guys. Pero, naka-second load na ako ng laundry. Nakapag-edit din ako. Yes? Yeah, just wait. And laro with tea. So, ang dami na nating nagawa. Meron din kaming rice. Kasi nag-rice na tayo kagabi. Pinapainit ko lang to ng bongga. Kasi gusto ko nga yung mabula-bula yung yung egg white ba? Mabula-bula. Tapos... yung parang brown na mabula-bula yung itsura ng egg white. So, pinapainit ko ng bongga yung mantika. Para paglapag niya, gumaganon-ganon siya, bumabubble up siya, you know? Everybody clap! La 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 la! Sus, ka-cute! That should be okay now. Woohoo! Dancing Hana, hands in the air, rock-a-bye band. Is that Is that yam? Yam? Okay. That's it. I love you. In the ay, sabi niya, Mami, kanta ka ng kanta. Gusto ko nang kumain. Ang init pa, oh. Can you see? So hot. Eggs? Egg. Yummy egg. Wait. Bigyan kita. Oh, yum. Look at that, girly. Wow, girly. You. It's okay. Ito, ayaw nang nadudumihan. Ay, hindi naman yung mga madidikit. Pareho itong mga anak. Yung tatlong anak ko talaga, maarte sa mga ganito. Wait. What do you want? This one? Tuna? It's hot, man. Rice. Sige, ikaw na lang nga. Chinik pa kung may grain ng rice yung kamay. Alright, here. Oh, egg. You want the white rice? Alright, white rice. Yeah. Alright. You wanna try tuna? It's so good. You wanna try?
Okay.
Try. Wait, that's too much. Wait.
Mommy.
It's hot.
What?
Yeah, blow. Alright, here. Yummy, right? Kain tayo, guys. Are you a frog? Alright, here, ito na. Hot. Tingnan nyo ako, nakabihis na ako, guys. Pero before we do anything, ayun, sabi ko na nga. We have it. Isa lang yung meron. Yung sa, ano nga natin, sa painting na nahulog ba? Sabi ko, alis kami ni Dee, bilhin namin para makabit ko na siya kasi it looks really weird na wala siya. Tapos nandun pa din yung mga ganito. Let's... I'm not sure if the rest will work. Kasi maliliit. Dapat malaki eh. Tingnan ko lang sa garage kung meron tayo. Let's go guys sa garage. Woo. Life is good. Life is very good. Look! See, walang laman. I'm not sure kung meron pa ako. We'll see. Let's go to Kmart. Just a quick one. Bilhin lang talaga natin yung command strips. And then, uwi. Patulugin si D. Habang tulog si D, ikabit yung strips. And we're good. Diba? Yeah! Para din makapag-walking tayo sa shops. Sa shops talaga mag-walking. Gusto ko lang pala mag-walking. It's a good day, you guys. It's a good day today. Thank you, Lord. I love you. Thank you. Hindi na ako magdadala ng pram, D. We will just walk, D. Kasi yun lang naman yung kailangan nating bilhin. Right, D? And it's not raining. Yay! Baby. Gonna get out already? Yeah, just wait, babe. Hmm? Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go. Yung gusto niya magpakarga. Ang galing. Hanapin natin yun. I think I know where it is. Do you know where it is? Yes. Yeah, dito to yun sa home. Dito na tayo sa home section. Oh yeah, I remember. Oh yeah. Doon malapit sa mga dog toy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Doon siya sa dog toy. Wait sa... Uy! Ito lang yung meron sila, medium. Okay na yan. Holds up to 7 kilos. Hindi naman yun 7 kilos ata. Yeah, wala sila masyadong display. Ito lang. Yan na lang natira talaga. Oh. Medium. Medium yan lahat dito.
Good.
That one is small.
Good.
Yeah, what is it? That's it, Bob. I'll just get this. I think I only need one. One has 4 sets. We'll just get 2 just in case, no? Kasi dapat tago natin ng maayos. Dapat alam natin kung saan nakalagay. Kasi feeling ko parang bumili ako ng marami last time. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. Alright, let's go. Let's pay for this. Let's walk. Para makatulog ka na. Nakahanap ako, guys. Diyan. May display sila dyan. Yung black. Same size. Large, di ba? Yeah, large. Large pala to. Sabi ko medium.
Mama, no.
Yeah. Your turn.
If you have a one pass or Flybuys card,
At siya nga ay nagwawala na mga kaibigan. That's alright. I'm heading home now from Kmart.
Alright, cool. Alright, easy. Alright, I'll let you go, my love. Wanted to let you know.
Alright, bye. You guys, we're home with our strips. I only need 4. See, so I had the black one before. Kasi black yung canvas natin eh. Oh, good job. Buti na lang talaga, dinalawa ko, guys. Wait a sec. Let me just clean this. Alright. So this is an artwork pala na gawa ng friend ni Dan. Pumunta kami sa, ano bang tawag doon? Art show? Art show ba tawag? May iba bang tawag? Basta, pumunta kami sa art show niya. And ito yung pinaka nagustuhan namin. Nagustuhan ko yung kakulayan niya. So, binili namin siya, obviously. And dito namin siya nilagay ever since. It's not too heavy. So, yung nasa likod is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, there's more than that. 1, 2, 3. So I did 7, guys. I did 7 strips. Alright, lucky I got more than 1 pack. So we have white and black. Nadikit ko na yung mga strips sa canvas mismo. Now, I have this leveler. And sanay na ako magkabit ng mga canvas, ng mga painting, ng mga artwork sa wall nang ako lang mag-isa. But this is the first time I'm doing it na ito. Ang laki nito, guys. So, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I remember yung nagkabit nito parang si Dan at saka si Pete, I think. We will see. Yep. Oh, I can. Alright. Alright. Meron na akong dot doon. And then I just need a mark on the sides. So, i-mark ko muna siya before ko tanggalin yung mga nakadikit. Oh, shitballs. Guys, punta tayo sa bahay nila Kambal. Nandun yung dalawang bata. Wednesday ngayon, diba? So, si Nana at si Papi yung pick up. Tapos, diniretso nila doon. Chill-chill ang mga bata doon.
Shut up in the taxi.
You happy? Playground, Didi? Playground, yeah. You like playing in this playground? It's wet. Wet. Yeah, wet. Oh my gosh. So, diba, magdi-dinner kami. Palis na kami dito, guys. Wala dito ang may bahay. Yung nandito si Nana lang, Papi, at saka yung mga bata. Bye, Papi! Pero magdi-dinner kami.
your shoes.
Ano namin, niyaya namin mag-dinner sina Nani and Papi. Ikaw, ang bilis mo naman. Ang bilis maglakad. Ang ganda ng outside nila, no? Come here, hoy! Garak sa day. Come on. Sabay si Ayla kay Nana and Papi. Nasa amin tong dalawa. Kami na talaga ang magpapab. Biglaan lang. Wala sa plano. May ano na nga yan si Sharon. May nakahanda na yung dinner eh. Lagi naman niya may nakahandang dinner. Sabi ko, maya na lang yung dinner mo. Nag-slow cook daw siya ng something. Ha? Your milk? Chicken baby. Well, try it.
I checked off the date first, if you almost said after we're going. There's no way we get one. I didn't 20 weeks.
Who was it? You and who?
Chicken like this.
You and who?
Eat properly, kuya.
Everyone's up.
Is that yummy, Arlo? Finish your chicken, please. Arlo, almost done with your chicken? I remember the salmon is good. Do you want to try my salmon?
Go try something. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Really the salmon too. Eat it?
Nah, she's alright. You eat it, man.
Daddy.
I love this one too.
Nice, yeah.
That's like I like it. Yeah, Mama did that.
Is it good, Pete?
Ah. Indy. It'll go down. Don't forget.
Don't put it in there.
How
No.
did I get down? Where's watching this thing?
Indy, beans? Do you have any trips coming up?
Yeah, we're in first week in September we're going on like airport. Yeah, we're at school. I'm trying to work out. September the 9th, we come we're away in Gord for a week.
Okay.
Wow.
Then in November, we're looking at Rock's house for a week.
Oh, cool.
Rocky is going away for their 2020 anniversary.
Got kids.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
Where
cool.
they going?
Hamilton.
So we've got Maddie Nova at Uncle Rock's house.
So, anything that's not mighty will be coming with us?
I may not be able to do that.
That's alright. Got beans?
Let me say. I like. She picked up Arlo when I said with Nanny.
Alec, what are you doing? Sit properly.
Scheming.
Hi guys. So today, when I was at school, a year 6 came and called my name, and my teacher said it's a surprise. So I went with her. I went to my Italian teacher's class, and I saw my cousin and other strangers, and then there was these, yeah, and I won first place. Daddy, look. Oh, you shut up.
Nanalo si Ayla, guys. First place. This is the design, the 2030 Italian World Cup jersey competition.
I want to do my
And Ayla won.
I want to do my smile.
So that's her drawing.
That's why you're sad.
Do you want to get your ball out?
Oh yeah,
Let's see. It's got FIFA World Cup on it as well. That's pretty cool. Do you need help here?
I'm not sharing it with anyone. It's my special one. Mom, is this a real ball or the fake one?
It is real.
It's
Yeah.
real. What kind can bounce? Maybe.
Go. Good job, Ayla. Very well done. Oh, there's another one left. A white one.
Ah, it's sticky tape.
Yes, girl. He's no. He's no. I'm not sharing it. I'm not sharing it. It's my special thing.